Today's topic of this video is to share with you the revolutionary, innovative technology to neutralize metals and hard water that live inside of our hair fiber, and it's called Metal Detox. Metals that live inside and outside of our hair fiber are also described as hard water. Identifying hard metals that live into our hair, we have unevenness in tone, our color is fading quickly after color surface breakage, and you might even be experiencing frizz. L'Oreal Professionnel discovered that glycomine is that micro ingredient that can penetrate inside the hair fiber and neutralize the metals from the very beginning of the application of your in-salon treatment. Metal Detox is applied by your stylist in a fine mist throughout the hair. Then we do what we call the Metal Detox. And we also neutralize and nourish the hair with the Metal Detox mask or conditioner. I hope you fall in love with Metal Detox as much as I have.